Happy to share the workflow. This workflow runs on a schedule every day and does the full prospecting job for you. No manual work, no copy-paste, no guessing who's a good fit. Notion holds your Sales Navigator search URLs. The workflow picks them up one by one and runs each search through the Periodix node. Periodix handles all the LinkedIn rate limiting, so your account stays safe. Every profile that comes back gets scored by Claude against your ICP. Score 5 or above. Claude writes a personalized connection request and a first message. Below 5, rejected. Let me show you the output. You get 2 Google Sheets. Validated leads come with the score, why they fit, and messaging ready to send. Rejected leads show the score and reasoning too, so you can check if your ICP criteria makes sense and adjust without rerunning everything. When a URL is done, Notion marks it. It never runs twice. What you end up with: a daily list of qualified leads with personalized outreach already written. Not a list to review, a list to send. Pricing is simple: $10 for the first 1,000 results, $49 per month for unlimited.